Hey there drone fans, you're watching 5 Best Products, and today we're going to show you some of the best cheap drones in 2021. We made this list based on research, popularity, our own opinion, and much more. For pricing and more information on these drones, feel free to check out the links in the video description. And lastly, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel so that you never miss a daily product video from us. Alright drone fans, so the first cheap drone that we're going to show you guys today, coming in at our number 5 spot, we've got the Snaptain A15H. The next cheap drone that we've got for you guys today, coming in at our number 4 spot, we've got the Holy Stone HS160 Shadow. And coming in next at number 3 on our list, we've got the PowerUp 4.0. Alright guys, coming in next at number 2 on our list, we've got the UDI U818A FPV Drone. And last but not least, at number 1 on our list, we've got the Ryze Tech Tello. Alright drone fans, so now that we're at the end of the video, let us know in the comments section which cheap drone you think you would like the best out of these 5. In addition, don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you aren't already, and check out the next slide for related videos that you just might be interested in, or check out our videos page to see more videos that are just like this one.